Hello everybody and welcome to the Crown Lounge, right? So today's episode, we got something I'm kind of excited about, right? Because I'm in search of different cocktails to make for you guys. I've seen a lot of good things about this, right? It's called the Paper Plane. It is kind of a riff to the Last Word cocktail. So this is a pretty modern cocktail. So this doesn't go back to Prohibition era or nothing like that. It's a pretty modern cocktail that is an equal parts cocktail where everything is equal parts, right? So it's a bourbon one with two liqueurs, and in making this, right, you want to get something higher proof, right? So I got this Savannah bourbon, right? Savannah, Georgia, greatest city in the world. It's a higher proof. It's 108 proof bourbon. So you want something higher because both of these liqueurs that you're using, the Aperol and the Amaro Nonino, both are like Italian, and they have a little sweetness to it, a little bitterness, a little herbal. So you want the higher proof to combat the sweetness. Because like I said, this is also a equal parts cocktail. Everything is equal parts. So easy to make. First, we're going to go with 3/4 of an ounce of a bourbon. Again, higher proof. Next, again, 3/4 of an ounce of Amaro Nonino Quintessentia. Again, I don't speak Italian. And I can't Google translate this, so we got to go with what it is. Again, 3/4 of an ounce of Amaro. 3/4 of an ounce also of our Aperol liqueur. So this is nice. It has a little sweetness to it. Last, we're going to go with 3/4 of an ounce of a freshly squeezed lemon juice. I just freshly squeezed it off camera. Anywho, give it a quick little easy stir, you know, like I always do. Add some ice. Give it a good stir to chill. Now we got our coupe glass, and we're going to strain it in it. You can chill your coupe glass prior, but it's about drinking. All right, again, I'm very excited about this. I mean, it's called Paper Plane. I work on planes. I gotta do more aviation themed cocktails, right? It's my craft. Anywho, cheers. This is an excellent cocktail. I see why it's considered a modern classic. It's like you get the bitterness, you get, you know, a little herbal notes. It's kind of sweet. This bourbon actually goes really well with it. Like, I know I say always, everything I drink is always good, right? Which it is. But this is a very excellent cocktail that I can see myself just drinking when I'm sitting here. Because again, what else am I gonna use this for? I don't know. I gotta find some other stuff. But anywho, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Until next time, cheers.